Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make curry burry. Start by gathering spices and aromatics, then chop vegetables and protein evenly. Toast whole spices gently to release aroma and grind if needed. Create a flavor base with onions, garlic, and ginger, then add ground spices and cook until fragrant. Finish with coconut milk or yogurt, simmer gently until thick, adjust salt, and serve with rice or flatbread. Gather ingredients first so cooking flows smoothly and you don't miss a step. Chop a mix of vegetables into uniform pieces and pat protein dry for even browning. Toast and measure spices into a bowl for quick addition and prepare coconut milk or yogurt to finish the sauce. Keep salt and lime nearby for seasoning at the end and have rice or flatbread warming while the curry simmers. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes kitchen cleanup effortless with smart navigation and voice control, so you can focus on cooking instead of sweeping. It even handles crumbs under the table, which is perfect after serving curry burry. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by frying onions until soft and lightly browned to build depth of flavor. Add garlic and ginger, then ground spices, cooking briefly so the oil carries the aromas. Introduce protein and vegetables, sear to lock flavor, then add coconut milk or stock and bring to a gentle simmer. Cook until vegetables are tender and sauce thickens, taste and adjust seasoning, and rest briefly before serving to meld flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.